our people done it in style. As they got closer to Wellington, they notified Ngāti Raukama. They got to Porirua, they notified Ngāti Toa, and they also notified Te Atiawa. So when you have a coordinated protest done in style and class, koutou ngā rangatiro aua wā, tēnei ka mihi. In comparison to this, we knew who all the leaders were. By the time this protest arrived, we had no idea who the leaders were. There was no unison whatsoever between those that are currently occupying Parliament in comparison. The foreshore and seabed came to lay their take, and they did. Through their anger, through their frustration, and through haka and waiata. There's none of that here. There was concerts. There was no thought about the safety of the people. The foreshore and seabed communicated well with the police. And I want to put this on record. And I challenge and I want to single Tawhi Churton in his letter to the Speaker of the House. He states that Raurimu is the name of the pā. I stand here to correct him that the name of the place there is Kaiota on Pipitia Kāinga, and for the nation to know that Raurimu is 2 kilometres down the road. I'm very clear about that in terms of our whakapapa and our kōrero to the iwi. And so for him to give their authority away to other iwi, saying that we have been given the authority, which iwi does that? We have never given our authority away to anyone. We will never give our authority away to anyone, and we have no intentions of giving our mana away for everyone. So to Ngāti Tama and Tawhi, where have you been for the last 16 years? Because I've held the paipai on Parliament for the last 16 years, and prior to that was an uncle. So I want to correct all those messages on Facebook, on TikTok. You have been ill-informed. You have been misled by a certain individual.